Everyone is trying to figure out how far AI agents can go. For a developer, that means faster coding. For a business, automation that can actually do work. But the moment an agent can read files, run commands, install packages, call APIs, or touch servers, it stops being a chatbot. It becomes something with real power. And real power needs supervision, because instructions can hide anywhere. In a file, a web page, a pull request, a ticket, a document. The agent may not know the difference between your task and a malicious instruction. One hidden line, and it can try to read secrets, leak tokens, or run commands nobody approved. Prompt guardrails are not enough. If the agent is the thing being tricked, you cannot rely on the agent to police itself. And if you are bringing agents into a real company, just trust the prompt is not a security plan. You need something outside the agent, below the prompt, watching what actually happens. That is InnerWarden, a local safety layer for AI agents that use the terminal. Tool requests go through a guard. Dangerous commands are matched against agent threat rules. And eBPF watches the real system activity underneath. So if a compromised agent tries to leak secrets, install something suspicious, or abuse the machine, InnerWarden can block it before it leaves your box. You also get a clear trail: what the agent tried, why it was blocked, which rule caught it, what happened on the machine, local first, auditable, on your infrastructure, not someone else's cloud. AI agents are going to do real work. InnerWarden makes that safer to try, safer to deploy, and safer to explain to the people responsible for the business. Your AI agent can use the terminal. Give it a supervisor. InnerWarden. Install in one command.